Let's turn to the breaking news that's coming in on the Rajasthan pot boiler. Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot has now convened a cabinet meet on a day when Sachin Pilot has been removed from the cabinet. Remember, this is the first cabinet, therefore, after Pilot and two other ministers close to him were axed this afternoon. Loyalist and sacked Minister Vishwendra Singh says the T20 is over, the test match will begin from tomorrow, suggesting that the Pilot camp is now going to play its own game to try and take on Ashok Gehlot. I'm joined by our correspondent Dev Ankur Vadhavan. Dev Ankur, the big question that is being asked is, what is Ashok Gehlot's strategy? Is he confident of retaining power now that Sachin Pilot has been virtually thrown out of the party, or is he worried that he may not have the MLAs if there is a floor test in the next week or two?
Well, clearly, at this point in time, Rajdeep, the strategy is to ensure that the flock is together. We believe that with the TBP, the tribal party, MLAs back in the fold, Ashok Gehlot believes he has 102 MLAs. It's a wafer-thin majority of 2 MLAs in an assembly of 200. Right now, because all the MLAs were brought in from in the bus to Chief Minister's residence. Once again, what is likely to happen at the Chief Minister's residence is all the MLAs will be showcasing their faith in the leadership of Ashok Gehlot. And this is a well-planned strategy because Ashok Gehlot wanted Sachin Pilot out. That is what has happened. He has prevailed over the Gandhi family. He has maintained that time and again Sachin Pilot was creating trouble for him, and that he was also hobnobbing with the BJP. This is something which he wanted, and he has prevailed, and now he is trying to cement what the MLAs that he have.
So he has, you're saying he has 100
is such that we will have to go ahead with this.
You're saying he has 102 MLAs, so that's a majority of just 2. So the worry that he will have is if few more Congress MLAs desert him and join hands with Sachin Pilot, then things could get difficult. For now, you're saying he has a majority of at least 2 MLAs, but that is a wafer-thin majority. Dev Ankur Vadhavan will come to you for more updates.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.